Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. Welcome back to our channel. We're all about tasty food made easy. Today we're gonna make a doner kebab sandwich mix. You can add this to a baguette, a wrap, or a pita. You can use this as a substitute for chicken, egg, and tuna mix. Start by cutting up 1/8 of a pound of doner kebab meat. That's about 2 slices. Then take a medium-sized mixing bowl and add a 1/4 cup of labneh and a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Then add 1/8 of a cup of cream cheese. Then add half a tablespoon of finely chopped green onions, 1 minced garlic clove, a 1/4 teaspoon hot sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon pepper, a half a teaspoon doner kebab spice blend. You can find this recipe on our channel, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Then mix the ingredients really well. When you're done mixing them, you add the kebab meat into it and stir a little bit. You can add this kebab mix to a baguette and top with some cucumber, tomatoes, red onions, and hot peppers. And there you have it, a doner kebab sandwich mix. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.